Hi, I'm Cash with CashedOutCars, and in today's video we're going to be replacing the reverse lights in this Jeep Wrangler. Let's get started. The first thing to do is to remove the 4 screws that hold the tail light on. So obviously you got 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has these aftermarket tail light guards on there, but they don't all have that. But either way, it's just those 4 screws, and then you could pop the light out. So once you have all those screws out, you can just pop all of this off, and basically you have to tug on it a little bit and twist, and everything will just pop loose like that. Your reverse light to change is this lower one right here, and to get to that all you have to do is twist and it'll pop right out. And then to replace the bulb, I would recommend supporting this light fixture. To replace the bulb, you just want to pull on it like this and it'll pop out, and then you could replace it. I'm replacing my bulb with a JDM A-Star LED reverse light, and the reason I like using these bulbs is they're a lot brighter than OEM bulbs and they're a direct replacement, so you don't have to change any wiring or do anything fancy. You just get a bulb that plugs right in and puts out a lot more light. So to replace the bulb itself, it's pretty simple. You just put it in place here and press it in, and it'll pop, and then you're good to go. To get that back into the housing, simply put it into place here and twist it. And once it's secure, you're good to put your taillight back on. So to do this, just line up where you took it out and then put your 4 screws in and you are good to go. So guys, it's extremely simple to replace your reverse lights. Like I said, I would highly recommend these LED lights because they're a lot brighter and they're a direct OEM replacement. If you're interested in picking these up, I do have a link in the description to where you could find those. Please like this video if you found it helpful, comment any questions you might have, and subscribe for more. I hope you stick around for the next one.